Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. In today's video, I have a collaboration announcement. So if you guys are interested and want to know who I'll be collaborating with, please meet me in the next section. I'm so excited for this video, guys. I will be collaborating with Alisa of Sloths and Orchids. Yes, she has one of the funnest personalities I have seen. I'm so excited. Well, aside from Ruan is really funny as well. I just love their personalities. It's so fun. Okay, we got to talking and we decided to do a collaboration. It's been in the works for a little while. We were thinking earlier this month, a lot of stuff has happened and we've decided to push it back. So today we're announcing what we're going to be making. Yeah, I don't have the fabric yet, so wish me luck, because hopefully by August 22nd I can post the completed project with reveal. All right, what are we going to be using? We decided to go with the Style Sew Me Erica dress. Erica Bunker has been one of my favorite I know it's not a word, but she's been one of she's been one of those people that really motivate me. I wouldn't say, would I say it? Yeah, she's like my sewing icon. Yeah, I love Erica Bunker. We've chatted many times before throughout the years when I started to sew back in 2009, when I started to get back into sewing. I followed her. She was the reason that I learned about blogging and that there was this whole community of sewing bloggers. Without finding her, I would not have known that that niche ever existed. And to make one of the projects that she has spent time with to develop for Style Sew Me is exciting. Now, I didn't go straight out and buy it and make it right as it came out, because some days I'm like, oh, do I need more patterns? But I love to support small businesses, small designers, and people that I feel like I have a real deep connection to. So I got the pattern and I haven't sewn it since I got it. So this is my opportunity and I'm so excited. So I was chatting with Alisa and I'm trying to figure out what color I'm gonna go with. I told Alisa, you know, I love lilac, I love purple. I always find myself going towards those colors. I feel like for this project, I want a brown or a green. I'm trying to move to colors like that. And since we're kind of getting towards the, I won't say too loud, fall time of the year, this is going to be a really nice project. So I'm looking for some really good fabric. I'm heading over to Mood to see what they have. I'm going to do a little searching and I will include my process, because I'm going to have to order the fabric within the next 24 hours so that I can get time to actually sew it. I don't think that this project is going to be long and tedious. As you guys know, the Erica pattern right there, it has those beautiful puffed sleeves. It's designed for a double knit, so it's going to be really stretchy for that turtleneck. It has that amazing open back, which is beautiful. And I feel like I have a theme for this year, because if you've checked out my other announcement video, you know that that project has an open back as well. It wasn't planned, it just happened that way. So, so this project is really exciting to me. One thing that I want to do, or I'm thinking about doing with this project, is probably shortening it. I don't want such a long dress right now. I think a shorter dress would be really cute, so I might make a short dress. I just need a really pretty fabric that is going to speak to me and be my personality. I'm really looking for some sort of green, some sort of brown, something that has an abstract look to it, or something that has an amazing floral pattern, but it's not your typical like flowers and leaves. It's just more dramatic. So I'm going to be on the hunt for that, and I just can't wait to share this completed project with you. So head over to Alisa's channel, Everything you need to know about her will be down in the description box with all her social media handle. She does some really good job sewing, and her projects looks really cool too. I just love the projects that she make. They fit really nice, and how she presents herself is just so fabulous. Amazing. I really like to check out her channel. I like that she's so relaxed when she's chatting. I just always feel like in a super good mood when I get there. She says some funny things that just makes me smile and crack up, and I love going to her channel. There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I really appreciate you guys coming here, taking time and checking out these videos. You could be other places, but you chose to stop here, and I hope that the content that you've just seen motivates you and gets you in a mood to do some sewing or become creative with your hands, because I feel like making things with your hands is just the best thing that you can do. I enjoy it. Sometimes it's a struggle, but once you complete it, you feel and you see you've poured your soul out, and it's an amazing feeling. So thanks again. If you're coming over from Alisa's channel, I hope that you consider subscribing after watching this video. And for those of you that are from my family, head over to her channel, check her out, watch her videos, let her know that you're coming from my channel, and just share the love all around. Thank you guys so much. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you real soon. Bye bye.